Hey, Brian here. Glad you are riding along. Hopefully we learn something together, or at least kill some time. This is the I-64 I-77 split in Charleston, the knot where three interstates come together and the whole city reorganized itself around them. And if you've ever driven through here, you've seen these sign bridges. Big steel gantries, all of them gone brown. I always figured somebody picked that color, some commissioner who wanted Charleston to have a look. Turns out, nobody did. That's not paint. That's weathering steel, the kind that's supposed to rust to a certain point and then stop, and the brown is just the steel being honest about what it is. There's something very West Virginia about that. The man who actually built most of this, William Ritchie, the highway commissioner from 68 to 77, put more than 300 miles of interstate through this state, and he drove I-64 right through Charleston's Fort Hill in the mid-70s in one of the biggest earth-moving jobs on the continent. His name's on none of the signs. The brown steel doesn't have a name on it either. It just holds the signs up to let you know where you're going. And after 50 years, nobody thinks to ask who decided. I drive under these things every week, and I never wondered until now. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.